it's RAVIN B again. Okay, we want to learn today on how to add different effects on FL and to add another song, maybe effects also. Okay, let me continue with this song which I have been using it for tutorial. Okay, let's continue. For example, this song is of 71 ppm 0.5. It is 71.5 ppm. So I will click here and adjust. Do you see 71.5? Yeah, done. Okay, now here is our kick where we start with the song. Yeah, so I will zoom and cut it here. Delete the space. This one I don't need it. I delete it too. Okay, let's you press the song in the one of the line of four boxes. You see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's make scratch. This one is too big. Make sure the scratch is small, like this one. This one sounds great. And you reduce the size or you unzoom. You see you have 4 boxes where it is. Paste it there. I told you if you paste a scratch and it is not online, you just click the scratch and you see the option where option is and you click snap. It will arrange itself on a line. Okay, this is done. Let's use just a simple scratch to save time. Okay, I told you always reverse the middle scratch which you pitch, that is pitching. And if you are using a sonacity, that's you reverse. You see? Okay. Well, let me add another scratch. Okay, we want to learn how to input an effect. Our effect will start from here, so I can cut here and put this one on another channel. Okay, here you click here to add an effect. You click here. As you have selected that one, you click this one. Then let me delete this one. I was already add. Let me delete and we add it together. Add module. You see this is the effects. This is echo, reverb, reverb 2, tab delay, trans delay. Okay, let me add filter, and you choose here which type of filter that you want. I like high pass. I use this one. Okay, let's here. Okay, I can copy this one at this end again here, and you can have you seen that one? Okay, let's make a scratch here too. Make sure your scratch is small enough so that it can sound good. You remember to uncheck the previous so that the song returns to its original. Remember this one, this scratch is not online. You click this one and you snap, it becomes online, like this one. So if I want to copy this, instead of copying one, I can select this one or all of them like this one and copy them all. Then I come here and paste. Also I come here and paste. So now we are going to arrange the pattern. You copy this one here, like that. I can add here another one and here another one, and like that. And I start pitching +3. You skip one, then you skip another one, +3 here, here. Let us add something else here again. I can select part of this pattern like this one, and I copy them here. Then I cut this I delete this one. Then I move this one to another deck, which I can add a reverb. Done. Let us reduce it so that it can sound well. This one sound bad. Let's delete that one. Okay, let us listen it from the top. Some mistake happened here and I have corrected it. Okay, let us listen from the top. Okay. You can take this audio and copy it also here. And I can take only this scratch. Oh, I did it. I can take that scratch and copy it and come to paste it here. Now, have you seen it? Okay, let's add some effects. Like drops, something like that one. Let me add my drop. That app takes too much storage, so and my phone has low storage. It has low storage. That's why it's slow. Let me add some effect. Let me use this one. The file already imported, so I want to. Let me add this drop here. My samples and for intro. Here is my drop. You see it is very long. Let me cut it. Or let me do like this. For intros, mixes, and DJ drops, contact 0708 43 0362 DJ RAVIN B, the King's Son. Be friend to those who need you. In case you wanted to to reduce the volume of this drop, you can see here where it is level 0.0 dB. You can reduce this one by clicking by tracking it to left. Okay, let's see now. I have reduced the volume. Did you see now? I have killed the volume of the drop. Okay, that is for today, guys. If you want to add another song, you can just repeat the procedure that you have just used by adding the drops or that song that we added last time. You can just use that procedure and add another song. That's all for today. Thank you, guys. Continue subscribing to my channel. Thank you.